Well, it's another rainy day in Pennsylvania, but today is Story Saturday, and I also think big hair. I also think I'm having Big Hair Saturday too. But today's topic is "You're not too old to change." This is the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor. Real food, real change, real stories, and real weather. So I've had clients in their 60s and 70s lose weight and reverse insulin resistance, reduce their medications, and feel like themselves again. And again, I see them from the perspective of as a health coach, but the population I treated mostly in my career as a physical therapist was this age group as well. And they did it by not dieting harder. I mean, I dieted really hard, but the secret is not to diet harder. They did it by ditching processed foods, by prioritizing protein, and walking every day. So today's nugget is stop saying it's too late. Start asking what's still possible. One of my favorite clients started keto at 74. She said, I just want to play with my grandkids and get off these blood pressure medications. And she did it. In 3 months, her A1C dropped, her knees stopped hurting, so she was able to get back on the floor with her grandkids, the babies. And you know what? You don't need youth. You just need a plan and people who will believe in you. I want you to add 15 minutes of movement to your day, even just a walk or light weights. Or you're going to the grocery store, I want you to park at the end of the parking lot so that you have to walk more. Go window shopping at the mall, if there are many malls left, and walk the length of the mall. You're never too old to build strength and endurance. I had in my career as a physical therapist advanced stage pulmonary patients. I remember I said to one woman, I was working in an inpatient rehab then, and I said and it was a huge gym, a big inpatient rehab, and I said, by the time you leave here, we'll be walking around this place 2 or 3 times. And her husband said, if you do, I'll buy you. And I commented on her sneakers, how nice they were. Her husband said, I'll buy you a set of those sneakers. I said, no, you don't need to do that. And sure enough, she thought she would never walk again. She was on oxygen. She was had severe COPD. She was able to improve the lung that she had and improve her endurance. So if you're still breathing, you're still building. Let's choose what we build on purpose.